Pop-up ads and new unknown tabs that open on its own. Your browser's homepage or your default search engine changed without your knowledge or permission. If you're seeing any or all of these problems with your Chrome browser on your Windows computer, you might have one or more malware. In this quick video, we will see how to scan and get rid of malware on your computer using the Chrome web browser's inbuilt scanner without the need of any external app or paid software. Here's what you have to do. Open your Chrome browser and click on those three vertical dots for more options. Then click on Settings. Scroll down to click on Advanced to expand that section. Then scroll down completely to the end and under Reset and Cleanup, click on Cleanup Computer. Now click on Find to scan for any malware or other malicious software on your computer. This might take a few or even several minutes sometimes depending on the number of files in your computer. Optionally, you can also choose to report the details to Google about the findings. If any harmful software is found, it will show up a list of what's found on your computer, so you could take the next steps to clean it. It usually moves the files to a quarantine in your local drive, so you could decide and validate that further. I hope this helps you get back your mental peace, and thanks for watching and happy browsing.